have a presentation by Mr. Saurav Chakrabarti. He's the Deputy General Manager of Pre-Sales Display Business, Samsung India. Mr. Saurav Chakrabarti, kindly come to the stage.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Saurav Chakrabarti. I'm from Samsung. So, we will talk about something which is called a product Flip, which we launched for education specifically. We have a stall. We have that on our stall. You can come and visit that. We have kept our presentation very small clips to make you understand what the product is. Rest, you can come to our stall and see. So what is Flip? What we understood when we spoke to teachers, be it from IITs, be it from IIMs, be it from other engineering colleges, being from normal university colleges, it's good to adopt a technology. But if technology doesn't come with a human touch, it doesn't help. What does that human touch means? We all human beings are doing something as per our requirement. We are doing something which we used to do. Suddenly, if you make a drastic change, people will never adopt that. So what we do in Flip is we made it better. We made it so easy to use. For a teacher, for a student, you don't need a training. It's like a blackboard. You take anything, start writing on it, use your hand to erase on it. Obviously, technology comes with a lot of functionality, but if you overload too much functionality into it and doesn't make it easy, people don't use it. So Samsung Flip is a digital board built-in transform classroom for easy to use and engaging experience, because that's what we want for teachers as well as for our students. Because until you give that experience, because it will be a hybrid classroom now. The world has changed. Everybody sitting on a single classroom doing a class is gone. Now, there will be some student who will be online, some student who are offline, and you have to teach both with same similarity without any changes. So experience to believe the Flip, that's what I told. Come to our stall, see, and then believe how good it is and how easy it is. Now, with Samsung Flip, we generally do three things. Optimize for education. It can be higher education, it can be any lecture, it can be any classroom, because it has got all the functionalities which are required for a normal teaching experience. Second, for creativity, because unless you have a new creativity on a digital board, it doesn't help. And third is a collaboration feature, because until you collaborate with your student, at least on higher education, it doesn't make sense, because collaboration which says what is future, because those are the brain which are just developed, and until you collaborate them into your education system, it will always be a one-way training. But you need to take inputs, and that should be digitally recorded. Then only you can refer that back. First is the first thing, which is writing. If it's a whiteboard, if it's an interactive whiteboard, you need to write, and how easy to write. So that's what we created is a very simple board where you go take a normal pencil, sharpen it, break the lead, start writing. Finish. Use your hand to erase it. Done. It is replacing your blackboard. It has got inbuilt every feature like browser, inbuilt PC, where you can play every PPT, PDF, Word, Excel, everything can be played. Yes, because it's a digital. But the first thing is how easy it to write. Because if you don't write, you doesn't make sense of using an interactive whiteboard on your classrooms. Masterpiece. There comes creativity. Come if you want to draw on our Flipboard without making your hand dirty. You can mix any color, you can create a masterpiece. We did a presentation on the school lower education on that side of the hall, and one of the drawing teacher came after listening to our presentation, and he created a masterpiece there with simple two brushes which she was carrying. Normal brush, normal paint brush. He painted a scenery on the Flipboard. That's how easy. We have not trained her. She came, she suddenly asked, how can I change the color, and started drawing. And almost there were 5 guys who were seeing, and she drew everything within 10 minutes. So you can come and see how easy to draw. Because when we are talking about higher education, there will be something where person has to draw with hand. Next, yes, because it's a display, you cannot waste that big display when you are not using it. That display can convert to a digital notice board when you are not using it. That means it can give your college information to your student, it can give you the college information to other guys who are sitting there. Let's talk, if you are talking about a university, always the classes are not happening. There are some events which are happening like this, where those screens can become a signage for you, which can say what your university is doing, what are the new initiative you have taken. So you utilize the screen up to the brim. So yes, you just, for example, it's running this, you go and touch, it becomes an interactive whiteboard. You leave it for some time, it automatically comes back to this image as a signage application. Then obviously is lecture. When you are delivering a lecture, you need to be comfortable doing anything. What the feature we have given is, open any browser, open any PPT, any Word, anything. Cut a small portion, bring it to your whiteboard and start discussing on that. For example, you are taking a class on some AutoCAD or something, cut a picture of AutoCAD, bring to your whiteboard and start discussing on only that important thing. We have seen on some fashion university, we have seen on some design university, we have seen on some engineering drawing is being discussed on us. If you go to IIT's website, you will get a complete course material how to use Flip, because IITs love this product. All IITs have uploaded on their internal channel how to use Flip. That good it is when we go for higher education. Every IIMs, every IITs are using this. So that means there is something good about that. My last slide is this, which is basically gives you just an overview what we can do on education, connectivity, multi-writing, up to size 85-inch, powerful touch-out and various form option. That means from any background you want. Second is design for creativity, pen and brush mode, annotation on any background, which can be your source, which can be browser, which can be anything. Selection tool, merge to role, and seamless scroll. Last, collaboration, you have a web browser, you have a document viewer, screensaver, which I already explained. Easy sharing, you can lock your file key after 5 days. If you come back, you can open that file and start writing exactly from there. And last is the remote management. So you can, as a university, if you have more number of screens there, you can remotely manage it from a particular location. So on Flip, it's a model which is really for experience. Only on presentation you cannot explain a Flip model. So I'll again repeat what I started with. Please come to our stall. We have a stall where we have 2 Flips installed there. Write, experience, then only you will understand how good it is. That ends my presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chakravarti, for your presentation. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Anuj. He's head eGov Vertical, ELS Technomedia, to give a token of appreciation to Mr. Chakravarti. Sir, kindly come forward.